Our microscopes are run from a Windows PC application called Lumaview, and it uses a USB cable for communications, and in the case of our manual models, power as well. The choice of a PC form factor and the location of that workstation are important to ergonomics and workflow, especially in the case of a cramped tissue culture room. Generally, there are 4 choices for PC form factor: a tablet, a laptop, a desktop, or an all-in-one. Tablets can be the smallest choice, but with the challenges of a touchscreen and gloves. Laptops are the most popular due to their small footprint, but at the cost of screen size, and they benefit from an external monitor being added. They can also be configured to operate closed, with an external monitor, keyboard, and mouse, and thus be used like a small desktop. An important consideration is that USB cables are limited to 3 meters in length due to communication timing, voltage drop, and even antenna effects. This means that the distance from the PC to the microscope is limited to under 10 feet. This is adequate for locating the PC outside of the incubator, whether it be on a nearby benchtop, the floor, or on top of that incubator. In those cases where it's desired to have the user interface further than 10 feet from the incubator, we take advantage of the HDMI cable length having no limitations and use a Bluetooth or wireless keyboard and mouse. Here we've extended the user interface 34 feet from the microscope. It is possible to locate a larger display within sight of the operator while having the keyboard and mouse in a convenient location. I hope this has been helpful, and thank you.